Hey guys, what's up? It's Minecraft Pro Joe here, and I got it right this time. Oh yeah. And welcome to car racing. Now, I know some of you guys are bored because some of my videos are just listener. Hold on guys, something's going on here. Oh, it's fine. So, please subscribe to my channel if you're new, or leave a like button down below if you like the video or if you're new to my channel. So, let's get started here. 10 hours later. Choose an account, that one. Always choose your Gmail. For me, I always do. If you don't want to, that's your call. Just saying. Oh, okay. Dang, it's laggy. Don't no. Okay, so garage. No. Oh, jeez. Oh, these cars are locked. Back. All these sweet rides. And I might do a series on this game, just saying, guys. Open, okay. Let's drive. Free mode, yeah, I just want to go free mode. Free mode is... Alright, let's go. Vroom. Oh gosh. Oh yeah, just in time. What is this? What did I click? Whoopsies. Yeah, I'll go like that. There we go, yeah. Ready, and go. Whoa. Oh gosh! Oh gosh! Woo! Gosh! Oh gosh! Hold on guys, I'll be back. I'm back. Let's get back to. So I changed it, so now it's easier. Oh yeah. Oh gosh! Oops. Dang, this car taking some beating.
Come on, car. Jeez. Oh, let's do this. Come on. Woo! Dang it. How's my car taking so much beating real fast? Repair that. Alright, let's go, let's go. Whee! Oh dang, it's so close. I'm gonna keep going until this car cannot take any more beating. This is unacceptable. Gosh dang. What? Come on, go in. Go freaking on. There we go. Oh gosh. What just happened? Well. This car is still taking. Why wouldn't I say that? I don't know. This right here might look better. I'm a horrible driver. This is a horrible driver. I'm not driving. This son of a bitch over here is driving. Well, shut the hell up. No, you stop, you bitch. You stop, you bitch. No. You're the one that's just driving the car, not me. No, shut up, bitch. Oh, you wanna go down? You wanna go, Stitch? Let's go right now. Let's go right now. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Okay, shut the hell up. Okay, I'm back. This son of a bitch over here is beating me my fucking brother. I'm not supposed to meet my mate now because you beat my ass up. Not my fault. You got on my face. Oh, not my fault. Is this your fault? Ah. Okay, shut up. Thank you. Now I can focus. I've been wanting to focus ever since you opened that little mouth of yours. Start doing this, motherfucker. Yes! Finally! Wait, where am I going? Yay!
Hero's jar.
No! Yeah! This is a bitch. What the fuck is that? Yay! I got no car. Oh no! What the heck is this push? Oh, isn't that it? No, the stupid ads. Oh, is it drive? Yay! What the heck? Such a serious, right? No, that's how you fight. He's how you customize Stitch. Oh, I didn't know that. Look at that man. Oh yeah, just a serious. What the heck? Oh, look at this Stitch. Wow, this is so cool. Up it's over. Back to time, you dumbhead.
This drive no.
I'm gonna go traffic mode.
Okay. Oh yeah, let's go. Look at my student truck, it's so pretty. So fucking pretty.
I just freaking took damage. You saw that, right?
No, I didn't see anything. I see you freaking suddenly brought up.
Shut up, Stitch. You don't even know what you're talking about.
That's all your stupid ass.
Okay, let's go.
Shut up.
Get your butt in the car, or you want to live.
Oh sure, I'm going back to I thought about this one. Bye bye.
Come back here. These two cars are pushing me.
No, I ran into a wall. Get your butt over here and help me.
How am I supposed to help you?
Move.
Fine, get out of there. Bye.
No, it's your brother. Get you. Okay, so I did my own car and you don't want to help me.
Yeah, that's technically the whole plan right here.
That's really cute. I hate you.
I hate you too.
You're so freaking mean.
No, I'm not mean. I'm Bro Joe. Oh, he's got owned in the face. Ow!
A charger.
Tell me what? You didn't tell me nothing. Oh, I'm gonna beat your butt. You don't think I won't? Put that middle finger up at my face one more time, I swear. I'm trying to drive here. You want to go to work on time, right?
Yeah.
Just shut up and let me drive.
How about you shut up, you stupid? So you have a drive right. That's it. No, it's this bro.
I don't care.
You don't freaking care. I'm in front of the most famous movies ever.
I don't even care.
That's bitch.
You are Stitch,
bitch. What you say? Do that to raise with your face, you stupid.
Stitch, bitch.
What you gonna do?
I swear these freaking ads.
Okay. Hang up. Gosh dang it! You freaking missed.
No, I missed. I'm me. Woo! Okay, Mister, you can't beat that.
Yes, I can. You're ugly.
Take that back, Stitch.
No, you're stupid. I freaking hate you.
Yeah, because I'm doing so much stunts. So unbelievable. Stitch, what'd you do? Stitch, look what you did to the car. It's all damaged.
My bad.
So anyway, guys, we're gonna end the video here, and we hope you guys enjoy. If you did enjoy, hit that like button, and if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Instead, do something. But go wash your hair in the sink.
I'm too big for the sink. You know that.
No, you're not. You can fit your little butt in it.
You're just that bad, you son of a bitch.
And we'll see you next time.
Peace out. I'm gonna beat your butt with this thing. I swear, bro.